I'm going to show you how to make a simple circuit with a battery and a switched simple circuit with Makey Makey. The first thing you're going to want to do is test your LED on a battery. You don't want to make a paper circuit and not have the LED working. So you're going to take your copper tape and you're going to place it really smoothly on the template. I use my fingernail to keep it smooth and push it down. And then you just tear it. You don't have to use scissors. And then you're going to find the long leg of your LED. That's the positive leg. That positive leg needs to go on the positive side of the tape, your tape trace. And then you're going to tape it down. You can use copper tape to tape it down, which will help with connectivity, or you can just use regular tape. And then once you've got that, you're ready to put your battery down, positive side down, and fold it over, and voila, you've made a simple circuit. It's pretty easy to make those electrons flow. Since electricity flows in a loop, we can actually make the same circuit powered by a Makey Makey. So you're going to want to move that template aside, and now we're going to use the key out function on our Makey Makey to create a simple circuit. So you're going to get your copper tape and you're going to lay it down nice and smooth. And on this template, I have a corner. So to make a nice hospital corner with your copper tape, you can use your fingernail to push it back, and then you'll have a nice fold. And then you're just going to tear your tape and end it right there at the top. You're going to do the same thing for the key outside. The key outside is the positive side of your simple circuit, and the short leg side is your earth side, which is your negative side. So you might be tempted to tear your tape, but it's better if you fold the tape and keep one long piece of tape, so that will help ensure your connectivity. Again, determine polarity by looking for the long leg of your LED. You're going to put that on the key outside. You're going to bend the legs, and you're going to use copper tape to connect the LED to the tape trace. So this positive side, we also call it a tape trace. And then we'll also connect our negative side. Now we're ready to connect our Makey Makey. Grab a short white jumper wire, and you're going to place this wire into key out, which is the far left pin on the back header. And then you're going to hook an alligator clip to this wire and hook that to the key out / positive tape trace on your template. Now to ground your connection, you're going to take another alligator clip to earth and clip that to the negative side. Now if you use your hands, you can test your circuit and see if your LED comes on. Hold earth and touch any key press. This is going to light up at your LED on any key press. You can take a switch that you've made and put one clip to earth and one clip to a key press, and then again, right to earth and any of the key presses. For this activity, I put it to up, and now when you press on the switch, voila, you have light. Thanks for the music, Bo. Find the full guide for this and more at labs.makeymakey.com.